Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. Here in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VS Code in your PC. Very simple, let me show you. Just go to the browser and then go for VS sorry. Go for VS Code, okay? And you have to search it, and then here you can see code.visualstudio.com. You can go there. Now I'm from Windows, so there will be download for Windows. If you're from Mac, there will be download for Mac, okay? So just click here and then it will start downloading. I already have this here, you can see. Now I'm going to install it. So let's go to the downloads, and here we have this. Now double click on the file .exe file. Now select I accept that agreement, and then go for the next, then next. Now I'll create the desktop icon also, so I'll check it. I'll click here next and then install it. Now it will start installing. Within short time we can actually get it. Alright, so we have successfully installed it. Here you can see. Now I will check it because I want to actually start it. So click here finish. Now VS Code will be open here. I start here. Here you can see. Now I will actually continue with GitHub here. So I will continue with GitHub, and I will actually log in through my GitHub account. So let's log in through my GitHub account. Sign in. I have to actually go to the Gmail, and I have to give your verification code. So you have to actually create your GitHub account. If you don't know how to create GitHub account, just go to the github.com. Okay, if you search GitHub in the browser, you can see github.com. So go there and create your account. We can create through email account. Okay, your Gmail, Google account. Alright, so here I have to give the passkey. So let's copy this, go here, paste it, verifying, and then continue. Alright, now I have logged in and sign in into my VS Code. Here you can see. Now I'll go with this color, and then continue, then get started. Here we go. Now you can see in the right side I have chat option. This is basically GitHub Copilot because I have logged in through my GitHub account, and that is why actually in the right side I got this. If you not logged in, if you are not logged in this case, you will not get here chat option. Okay, now let's say I have removed this by accidentally. Now I can click here chat icon here, and then I get here chat option. And if you don't want to see this when you during the opening time for the VS Code, you can actually uncheck from here. Show welcome page on startup. You can uncheck it, then it will not show every single time. Now you can open here folder. If you need extension, you can add here extension. Now let's say I want to add an extension. Let's say live server. If I say here live server, if I click here live server, you can see I have here live server. Now I can install it like this. You can install any other extension you want. All right. Now if you need terminal also, you can click here terminal, then new terminal, and the terminal will add here, and the terminal will work like cmd. If you type cmd command prompt, then it will work same. If you go here terminal, for terminal, you can see you can open terminal, Windows PowerShell here. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.